Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I would like to bring everyone together with me to unboxing and review
feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best.
Hello everyone, my name is Ricky Lihan. Today, I would like to review my dream guitar. You guess, is it Jaguar, V, Telecaster or Strat? So this is it. Jazzmaster from J&D Brothers that I bought last week. This guitar just arrived and I only wait for 4 days. That was super fast and thanks to the courier service. This J&D Jazzmaster is rich in sound, pure sound effect from the tone itself, and I can just say that worth to buy it. Okay, and it has 2 knobs, as you can see from the video, and one for the tone, and of course the another one is for the volume. For me, Jazzmaster from J&D Brothers is comparable to other well-known guitars such as Fender, Ibanez and Yamaha. I said that from perspective of the sound, feeling you get, the tone and its body design. So guys, if you ask me why did I choose this type of guitar, it is only because it just suits to my play, to my passion, to what I love, is for jazz and blues music in general. So I believe this type of guitar, this kind of guitar will help me so much to play better in this both music genre. You can have another type of guitar body from J&D Brothers, so you can just choose the best one for you, and as a musician, it depends on your music genre for you to choose the right guitar for you. Thank you everyone. That's all for my review and unboxing Jazzmaster JM30 from J&D Brothers. That's all. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.